everyone. My name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and it's my pleasure to work with you today and show you a technique that I think is really important. I have here a sleeping pod, and I have a lid on here, and I want to rotate the lid, and I also want to do a helical copy, or a helical pattern. So, first thing I'm going to do is say Control T. Control T is a really great command. It's the move object command. And what I want to do is take this lid right here, and I want to rotate it about its hinge. In order to do that, I'm going to select angle. I'm going to specify that we're not going to move the parents. We're going to do it associatively and move the original. So I specify the vector. That's this vector here. I specify a point where that vector applies, and that's the center of the hinge pin. There we go. And I specify an angle. Now, when I specify the angle, I'm going to specify A equals 20. A equals 20. There. And when I do that, and I say OK, you notice it goes the wrong way, so I've got to flip that. So I'm just say move object here, and I'm going to hit the little flip switch there. There you go. But more importantly, what I've done is I've created an expression that holds the value of that angle. Here you go. In your user expressions, you can see that now if I want to lower and open and close that lid, all I've got to do is do that with user expressions. So I simultaneously created the user expressions and set it, and rotated the lid. So that's wonderful. Okay? But now I want to make copies of this sleeping pod in a helical manner. And in order to do that, I need to go to the pattern geometry command, pattern geometry, and I need to select all that I'm going to be patterning. I need to also ensure that I'm selecting the helical layout. So I select this one, I select that one, I select the hinge pin, good. And then I specify a vector about which the helix will be created. And in this case, I want to select this z-axis. And as you can see, what it's doing is it's using that z-axis as a helical center. I have the angle, which I'm selecting angle, helix, pitch, and turns, but I think I'd rather have count, helix, pitch, and turns. So in one turn, I'm going to have a helix pitch of 30 inches, maybe more, maybe 60 inches. And I also want a count of, let's say, 10. So there you have it. When I say OK, I now get 10 sleeping pods located helically. So I've got, a bunch of people that need to hibernate in my spaceship. I can just have a whole helix of these things. And there you go. The helical pattern is very useful. So that's a lot of fun. This little doodad, this guy here is a human modeling. He's not so easy to pattern, so I would do him as a component in this, if I wanted to have a bunch of hymns. But anyway, there you have it, a helical pattern. Oh, there was a mattress inside of this thing, and I forgot that mattress. So I'm just going to go back a step, and I'm going to edit that pattern. Oops. Not the move object, the pattern. There we go. And I'm just going to select the mattress also. There we go. And say OK. And so now the mattress is in all of the little sleeping pods as well. So there. It's a fun little technique. It's a very important technique. The helical pattern, the move object with the angle, and creating your user expression. Here we go. So if I want to close everything, I could say A equals 0, and all the sleeping pods close. If I want to open them up a little bit more, I put 30 there. And that is computer-aided design power. Thank you very much for watching. My name again is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries. Please help out and help the channel and like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the air next time.